Am I the only one that didn't know going to bed earlier can actually double the power of your sleep? Seriously, your grandma might have been onto something. Here's the secret behind pre-midnight shut-eye. Here's the deal. Your body's natural sleep cycle is designed to repair and restore itself most effectively during the early part of the night, especially before midnight. That deep, slow-wave sleep you get in those first hours? It's prime time for your body to fix tissues, balance hormones, and clear out brain clutter. The later you go to bed, the less of that powerful, deep sleep you get. So if you crash at 11 p.m. instead of 1 a.m., you're actually boosting the quality of your rest without adding extra hours. This simple hack can help you feel sharper, recover faster, and even improve your mood. It's not just about how long you sleep, but when you sleep. So tonight, try hitting the pillow an hour earlier and see how much better you feel. Your body and your brain will thank you in the morning. Try it tonight, 1 hour earlier. Subscribe for more quick health hacks.